If you've ever felt like you're just copying other polymer clay artists and wondering when your own style is going to show up, trust me, you're not alone. I used to obsess over this all the time. In today's video, I want to talk about the line between getting inspired and finding your own creative voice and how you can start stepping into your own style with confidence. I'm Wendy Varner with Wendy Varner Designs. I'm a small batch polymer clay earring artist in Charlotte, North Carolina. When I first started making polymer clay earrings, I was constantly scrolling Instagram and Pinterest and Facebook and all the things. I'd see a beautiful design, save it, and then try to recreate it as closely as I could. Not copy it per se, but you know what I mean. And honestly, that helped me learn a lot. How to mix colors, how to make shapes, how to bake and finish pieces. But here's the thing, while I was learning the skills, I wasn't creating work that felt like me. I'd finish a pair of earrings, and even if they looked good, they didn't feel personal. And after a while, I started to feel stuck, like I was just remixing other people's ideas without any real connection to them. So, there's absolutely nothing wrong with taking inspiration. In fact, it's necessary when you're starting out. It's like learning to play music. You start by playing other people's songs, but eventually you want to write your own. If you stay in the inspiration phase too long, you can start to feel lost and overwhelmed and even burn out trying to keep up with trends. But your style, that's what makes your work sustainable. That's what makes people connect with your earrings and with you. So, how do you actually start to find your own style? Here's a few things that help me and might help you too. So tip number 1, notice what you're drawn to. Look through your camera roll, your saved post, your Pinterest boards. Are there certain colors, shapes, or textures you keep coming back to? That's a clue to your natural taste. Tip number 2, keep a style journal. Start a little sketchbook or digital folder just for you, not what's trending. Collect patterns, color palette ideas, even if they don't make sense together yet. Tip number 3, combine, don't copy. Instead of copying one design, combine elements from a few and then add your twist. Change the colors or use a technique that you love. That's how style starts, by remixing in a way that feels true to you. Now, tip number 4, give it time. Finding your style doesn't happen in 1 month or even 3. I had to come to that realization myself. It happens by making a lot of earrings, playing, experimenting, and noticing what lights you up. And psst, come a little closer. I want to tell you something. You already have a style. It just might be quiet right now. You don't have to be radically original to make something meaningful. You just have to make things that feel honest and keep showing up. I'm still figuring out my style too, but I promise the more you listen to yourself and follow your curiosity, the clearer it becomes. And if you want some help discovering your style, I actually put together a Find Your Polymer Clay Earring Style workbook. It's a downloadable guide filled with journal prompts, style board exercises, and many creative challenges that walk you through everything we've talked about today, plus some extras. I couldn't fit everything in this video. I made it for makers who want to move from copying other makers to creating with confidence. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. So I'd like to know, are you in your inspiration era, or have you started to find your own voice in your work? Let me know in the comments. I think it's a journey that we're all on, and it's better when we share it together. And if you want a little creative boost, check out the guide below. I think it'll really help you connect with your unique style. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating what makes you happy. That's the most important thing.